Mom and I are going to show you how Mom makes her delicious potato pie today.
First, we'll boil our potatoes. Salt our potatoes.
Margarine and cooking butter, flavoring butter. But we want to get that melted and then sweat our pimento and onion.
Onions. The pimentos.
Let the onions and pimentos sweat and cook until the onions are translucent, which is usually about anywhere between 2 to 3 minutes. All right, so now Mommy's going to whisk in the flour before adding the milk. This is what will help to thicken the potato pie. And we're doing this over a low fire. All right, so now we're just going to slowly whisk in the milk over medium heat. You want to whisk it so that the flour in the mix doesn't clump up.
And stick it in up.
Alright, so now we're going to continue to build on flavor. So we're going in with some black pepper, some paprika, onion powder, garlic powder. Now be mindful how much salt you add in because the flavoring butter, cooking margarine has salt in it, as well as the cheese that's going to be added as well.
We boil it in salt. Potatoes.
Sorry?
Potato boil in salt
And the potato,
too.
yeah, and the potato is boiling in salt. Let me just check this. So we're tasting for salt. Now, mind you, at this point it should taste salty, yes, because the potato will bring down the level.
I'm tasting the salt. Good.
Yeah. All right, so now we're going to add the cheese, the last part. You really just want to add any cheese and give it enough time to melt. We're doing this over the lowest temperature on the stove. But as soon as this cheese has melted, we're going to take it off the heat. All right, so now I'm switching off the heat. All right, so you see all the cheese has melted now. So now what we're going to do is just wait for our potato to finish cook and then strain it and mix it into our cheese mixture. All right, Mommy, so our potato is cooked. So now it's time to add in the cheese sauce. Can you help me scoop it out? You help me mix?
Yeah, boy.
You mix and just scrape out the excess.
You're
first in
taller
the
than
meantime.
me.
So we just want to evenly mix our cheese sauce into the potato. And it's okay if some of the potato mash up a little bit. That's fine. How are we looking?
Looking good. Looking good. Nice. We'll take
Yeah?
it up in it. Yeah, not good.
How are we looking?
Looking like a lot.
Yeah, we could stop there.
Yeah.
You know, put the cheese. And the cheese is just to give it a crust and some color. And what temperature we baking this at?
350?
For how long?
I would say about 40 minutes. And you can check it, of course, when the top get brown.
But we want the pie to thicken a bit.
Yeah.
And we want the cheese to melt and turn brown in color. Yeah, now looking good enough.
Yeah.
All right, so it's been 40 minutes, so now we're gonna check our potato pie. Look at that. We bring it up on the stove. So our cheese is melted, beautiful golden brown crust. So what we want to do now is let it sit, cool down a bit. All right, Mommy, so now it's time for the best part.
Yes. Taste.
Time to taste. The most important thing, we let it sit, you know, which should make cutting a little easier. You know, you let the pie kusume. So, just gonna pull the cheese off the edge a little bit.
It's very deep.
Oh, yeah.
The cheese I want to rip apart. Yummy.
Oh, look at that.
Should be delicious. And smelling real good.
Let me take it from you. Take a fork. Let's go.
Cheese.
Cheers.
Cheese.
Oh, yeah.
It's delicious. A piece of this cheese here to taste.
You smell the pimento. Tasting this as well, the onion, all the flavors in your
Creamy and
cheese sauce.
cheesy and nice.
Oh yeah, nice and thick. Let us know in the comment section, send us pics, send us videos. I'm on
Don't
this time.
stop.
Time to eat now.
Yeah, boy. Let me the plate.
Alright, yo. Thanks for watching.